Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to restore recently deleted posts and Instagram Reels. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Instagram on your device. I'm on my profile right here. Now I'm going to delete 2 of my photos from the profile, but the process is the same for both Reels or regular videos. So let's delete these 2 photos. Now when we want to restore our content and get it back on our profile, all we have to do is to tap on the 3 lines at the top right corner of the screen here. Now click on your activity and now scroll down until you see a recently deleted button. This will open a menu with all of your recently deleted photos, videos, and Instagram Reels. Keep in mind that this content was deleted in the past 30 days. So that is what you will see here, and when you want to restore a post, click on it, then tap on the 3 dots here, and you will have 2 options. You can permanently delete it if you want to, or click on restore. When you go back on your profile, the photos will be there. So that is how you can get back your Instagram content if you've deleted it. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.